Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Stuti Patel, and today we are diving into a prototype model in software engineering. We will cover what it is, how it works, and why it's important for creating a great software. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. Now, let's get started. In this section, we will introduce you to the prototype model, a crucial methodology that helps developers to create early version of system to visualize and test its functionalities. This iterative approach ensures that the final product aligns closely with user needs and expectations. Throughout this presentation, we will explore the definition, types, steps involved, advantages and disadvantages of the prototype model. Let's get started and dive into a fascinating world of prototyping. A prototype is an early sample or a model of a product built to test a concept or a process. It serves as a preliminary version of a system, highlighting its core functionality and features. Prototyping allows developers and users to interact with the system and provide feedbacks. These are various types of prototyping, including rapid prototype, evolutionary prototyping, incremental prototyping, and extreme prototyping. Each type serves a unique purpose and is chosen based on the project's specific needs. Types of prototyping. First, rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping involves quickly building a prototype to gather user requirements and feedbacks. Once these are clarified, the prototype is discarded and the final system is developed with a clear understanding of user needs. Evolutionary prototyping focusing on continuously refining a prototype based on a user feedback until it develops into a final product. This approach is ideal when requirements are not well understood from the start and developed over time. Incremental prototyping. Incremental prototyping involves building the final system in separate functional prototypes that are integrated step by step. This allows developers to focus on one part at a time, making the project more manageable. Extreme prototyping. Extreme prototyping mainly used for web applications, consisting of three phases. First, creating a static HTML prototype, then adding services, and final, integrating them to form a fully functional system. This method ensures a seamless user experience. Now, let's go through the key step in a prototype model. First, requirement gathering. First, we collect initial requirements from user and stakeholder to understand the project scope. Second, quick design. Next, we create a basic design focusing on initial features. Third, build prototype. Using a quick design, we build a working model to showcase core functionalities. Fourth, user evaluation. Then we present the prototype to user for their feedback and evolution. Fifth, refine prototype. Based on the feedback, we refine and improve the prototype interactivity. Sixth, implement and maintain. Finally, once the prototype meets user expectations, we implement the complete system and maintain it for ongoing performance. Now, let's talk about advantages of the prototype model. Improve user involvement. First, users are engaged early and throughout the process, ensuring the final product meets their needs. Second, early detection of issues. Identify and resolve problems early, reducing risk later in development. Third, better requirement clarifications. It helps clarify user requirements through integration with the prototype. Fourth, enhance system functionality. Continuous feedback improve the system interactivity. Fifth, flexibility in design. Allow for easy changes without significant rework. Now, now let's look at the disadvantages. First, potential for scope creep. Continuous change can extend the project timeline and increase cost. Second, can be time consuming. The inactivity process may delay the final product release. Third, risk of documentation. Focusing on rapid document development can lead to insufficient documentation. Fourth, may lead to expensive interaction. Numbers interaction can complicate project management. Fifth, initial cost. Developing prototypes can be expensive, especially with sophisticated tools. Now let's recap quickly. The prototype model is a powerful approach in software development, emphasizing user involvement and interactive refinements. By creating early version of a system, we can clarify requirements, improve functionalities, and address issues early on the stage. Define some changes like scope, creep, and time consumption. The benefit make it a valuable tool for creating user-centered software. Thank you for your attention, and I am happy to answer any question you might have. Have a good day.